Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 8 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 maths and click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter Pythagorean theorem. That the lesson we're going to cover is similar solids and the final test from the chapter. Then we'll start the new chapter, that is three-dimensional figures, and the chapter name, the lesson is part of three-dimensional figures and nets of three-dimensional figures. So let me just start with the first chapter, that is Pythagorean theorem, and the lesson name is similar solids. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is similar solids. Okay, I'm on grade 8 maths. The chapter name is Pythagorean theorem. Here it is. Hmm. Let me just confirm if I am on grade 8 maths. Okay. Here is Pythagorean theorem. Okay, the lesson is converse of theorem. Pythagorean theorem is it a right angle triangle? So let me just add it the lesson name because the one, let me add it here too. Okay, done. Okay, we are going to start with converse of them. Is it a right angle triangle? Let's start with the lesson. Okay, let me just read the question and then let me explain. A triangle has sides with 5 meter, 12 meter, and 13 meter. Is it a right angle triangle? So basically, we have to look the given measurements are for the right angle triangle. Got it? So if a triangle is a right angle triangle, then it must equal a square plus b square equals c square. Got it? This is called the converse of Pythagorean theorem. Got it? Because we can prove Pythagorean theorem by a square plus b square equals c square. So we this is known as the converse of Pythagorean theorem. So just use the values given 5, 12, and 13. The largest one is always the hypotenuse or the c. Got it? This is c. You can use these two as a and b. Got it? So here you have 5 square plus 12 square equal 13 square. So just see both sides are equal. 169 equal 169. That means that the given measurements are for the right angle triangle. Got it? Basically, you have to prove if the given angle is right angle triangle. Let me just start with the test. I think that's the same we did on the tutorial, isn't it? This is A, this is B. The largest one is always C. Got it? So you have to do A square plus B square equals C square. Just add them. 5 square plus 12 square equals 13 square. 25 144 and that equals 169. So 144 plus 25 is 169. Both sides are equal. So yes, they are this is the right angle triangle. Got it? Got it, everyone? If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions. It would be 169. Got it? So the answer is yes. Okay, the next one is the a triangle has sides with lengths 8 yards, 15 yards, and 17 yards. Is it a right angle triangle? So you have to use the converse. The converse is this one is C, the largest one is always C, the other one are A and B. Got it? So it would be C square equals A square plus B square. C is 17. 17 square equals 8 square and plus 15 square. 17 square is 289, uh, 64 and 225. Just add if C they are equal. 289 equals 5 and 4, 9, 6 and 2, 8. Yes, they are equal. So that means this is the right angle triangle. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the answer is yes, it is a right angle triangle. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can just write the question in the chat box. Okay, a triangle has sides with lengths of 11 feet, 15 feet, and 17 feet. Is it a right angle triangle? So the largest one is always C. This is C A B. Got it? C square equals A square plus B square. It would be 17 square equals 15 square plus 11 square. So 17 square equals 299. 15 square is 225 and 11 square is 121. Just add and see if they are equal. 289 equals 6, 4 and 3. They are not equal, so no, they are. This is not a right angle triangle. Got it? So the answer is no, this is not the right angle triangle. Got it? Okay, the next one is a triangle has the side lengths of 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and 5 millimeter. Is it a right angle triangle? 3, 4, and 5. So 5 square equals 3 square plus 4 square. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Both sides are equal. The answer is yes. This is a right angle triangle. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or either you can join me in the interactive session daily from Monday to Friday, 9 to 9:45, 4 to 4:45, and or either 9 to 9:45. Got it? Okay, the next one is the final test for the chapter. So let's just start with the final test. Okay, you are given with the right angle triangle. You have to find the length of the missing side. This is the side C, A is the missing one, and B. So you can use the Pythagorean theorem, that is C square equals A square plus B square. C is 15 square. Move the B to the other side and the value of B is 12. Here you have just A square. 15 square is 225 minus 144 equals A square. Let me just subtract. 5 subtract 4 is 1. You cannot subtract 2 out of. Wait, let me just use calculator. 225 minus 144. It would be 81. Got it? So 225 subtract 81. 144 is 81. So square root both sides. It would be then 9. Got it? That means the missing side length is 9. Got it, everyone? Whenever you are working on the right angle triangle, if you have to find the missing side, you can use the Pythagorean theorem. Got it? So the missing side is 9. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, again, you are given with the right angle triangle. You have to find the missing side length. So you have to use the Pythagorean theorem. You have to. This is C. This is B. It would be C square equals A square plus B square. C is 13 square equals 5 square plus B square. Move this to the other side. It would be 13 square subtract 5 square equals B square. 13 square is 169 minus 25 equals B square. It would be 144 equals B square. Square root both sides, so B equals 12. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the so select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you have to do the same thing. Let me just see which is the correct option. Parameter you have to find. Got it? So for parameter, you have to find all three sides and then you have to find the parameter. So use the Pythagorean theorem and find the third side and then add all the sides. Got it? 5 square equals 4 square plus A square. Move 4 square to the other side. It would be 5 square minus 4 square equals A square. So 5 square is 25 and 25 minus 16 equals 9. So square root both sides, A is 3. Now you have all three sides. So for parameter, add all the side lengths. It would be 12 meters. Got it? The correct option is 12 meters. Option number 2 is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. A triangle has sides with length of 6 kilometer, 14 kilometer and 15 kilometer. Is it a right angle triangle? That is from the lesson we just did. Got it? So the largest side length is always the C. Got it? Be C square equals A square plus B square. C is 15 square equals 14 square and plus 6 square. 15 is 225, 6 is 36, and I forgot 14 square is 196. Got it? So just add 196 and plus 36. 196 and plus 36. 225 equals 232. They are not equal, so no, the triangle is not a right angle triangle. Got it? The answer is no. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is a triangle has sides with length 3 meter, 3 meter, and 5 meter. Is it a right angle triangle? Which is the correct option? You can check it on your notebook and let me know the answer. The correct option is no. This is not the right angle triangle. Got it? You can check on your notebook. The answer is no. Okay, you have to find the side length. So the side length is, you can check the values on your notebook, which is the correct option. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Got it? So for C, you have to add both the values. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So it would be square root 25 is 5. So the correct option is 5. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, Manuel is playing hide and seek with Dog and Lime. Dog is hiding 9 meters south of Manuel and Lime is hiding 12 meters east of Dog. How far apart are Manuel and Lime? You have to basically solve the right angle triangle. Got it? So 9 square and 12, 9 square is 81 and 12 square is 144. I think it is. It is like this. One of them is here and one of them is here. You have to find C. Got it? So C square equals 12 square plus 9 square, or 144 plus 2. Wait. 144 plus 81. It is 144, not 141. It would be 225. Got it? That means then C equals 25. Got it? So the correct option is no, 225 is the square of 15. The correct option is 15. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Our triangle has a side lengths 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and 5 millimeter. Is it a right angle triangle? Yes or no? The correct option is yes, because 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 9 is 25. And 25 and the hypotenuse is C. C is 5. So 5 square is 25. Both sides are equal. Yes, it is the right angle triangle. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. We're going to start with a new chapter. And a new chapter is three-dimensional figures. Uh, let's start with the first lesson, parts of three-dimensional figures. Let me just write down lesson name. Okay, the lesson name is parts of three-dimensional figures. What happened? Parts of three-dimensional figures. Okay, look at this shape. What is the shape of its base? Pyramids and cones have one base. Cubes, prisms, and cylinders have two bases. They are parallel and congruent. So its bases are rectangle. Got it? They are the rectangular prism and then cube. So cube and prisms have two bases. Got it? And the bases are parallel and congruent. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Look at this figure. What is the shape of its base? Is it square or pentagon? Yes, it is a square prism, so the base is square. Look at the shape. What is the shape of its base? Decagon or rectangle? Yes, it is a rectangle. Okay. In the rectangular prism shown below, which lines are parallel? L, M, and O, N are parallel. Got it? Not K, O, N, N, Q. Got it? The parallel one are M, L, L, M, or N, O. Got it? The first one is parallel. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Look at this figure. What is the shape of its figure? Rectangle, triangle, or circle? Which is the shape? Yes, it is the triangle. Look at this figure. What is the shape of its base? Hectagon or square? It is a square. Okay, I forgot to click on the OK button. Look at this shape. What is the shape of its base? It is a triangle. Look at the figure. What is the shape of its base? The shape is a rectangle. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is the shape of its base? Rectangle or triangle? It is the triangle. Got it? Look at this shape. What is the shape of its base? Square or octagon? It is square. Look at this shape. What is the shape of its base? Yes, rectangle it is. Okay, so we have done with the test. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is nets of 3D figures. Okay, which net will make this figure? Imagine folding these nets. Fold this net along the dotted lines. This net makes an octagonal prism. This is the correct. Okay, which is the correct net? You have to basically fold the objects to form the shapes. Got it? Let me just see what we have to do on the test. What, which will net, which net will make this figure? So which of the option is the correct one? You can just match the shapes. Got it? Just look at this one. You can match this shape and this one, but the first option isn't the correct one. The second option is the correct one. Got it? Because it has the pentagon at this side and this is the pentagon. Got it? So the second option is the correct option. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which figure will make this net? So which option is the correct one? The first one or the second one? It would be the first option. Got it? If you match the shape, here you have the first option is the correct one. Here, if you just look at this shape, and here you have a pentagon and here you have a square, so this one is the correct option. Which net will make the figure make this figure, the first option or the second option? Which is the correct one? That would be the first option. Got it? Because you can match the shape, so it is the first option. Okay, which figure will be then will this net make? First option or the second one? That would be the second option. Got it? They doesn't form cone, they form the cube. What which net will make the figure? First one or the second one? Which option is the correct one? Yes, it would be the second option. Got it? It is the triangular shape, so second one is the triangular one. which which figure will this net make? Yes, it is the first option because it makes a cube. Got it? Which figure will make this figure? Which net will make this figure? Option one or option two? That would be option number two. Got it? Which figure will the net make? So yes, the first option is the correct one. Which figure will make this? Which net will make this figure? Option one or option two? It would be the first option. Got it? Which figure will this net make? It would be the second option. Got it? So we have done with the lessons for today. If you need help with any lesson, any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions if you have any. Please write the question in the chat box. So the lessons we did are we've started with the chapter Pythagorean theorem, and the lessons we did are, let me just read the lesson names. The lesson we did are the converse, is it right angle triangle? Then we did the final test of the chapter Pythagorean theorem. Then we started the new chapter, it is three-dimensional figures. The lessons we did are parts of three-dimensional figures and nets of three-dimensional figures. So if you have any question, you can just write the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions if you have any. Or otherwise, you can join me in the interactive class that would be from Monday to Friday, 4 to 4:45 and 9 to 9:45. Any questions? Okay, that's all for today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Got it? If you need more help with the lesson, you can either contact any tutor on the Skype or either you can join me in the interactive class daily from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Monday to Friday 9 to 9, 4 to 4:45 and then 9 to 9:45. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.